In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Mississippi. Visit the Mississippi Secretary of State website. Go to the Mississippi Secretary of State Business Service portal to review the requirements for updating or changing your LLC's address. Log into your account. Access your business profile by logging into the Mississippi Business Service online filing system. Select the correct filing option. Choose the file of Amendment of Certificate of Formation, or update your registered office or agent information depending on the type of change you're having to your LLC. Enter updated information. Fill in your LLC's legal name, your old address, your new address, and any other details. Make sure to keep all your details accurate to avoid any delays. Pay the filing fee. Review the fee schedule on the Secretary of State website, then submit your required payment online. Update external records. After the state approves your filing and change, update your new LLC address with the IRS, bank, agencies, or any other businesses you do business with. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Mississippi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.